you want to go to the market, especially like not mall supermarket, like market, you know that prices are not fixed, so you might end up spending more than you buy if you go to a supermarket. At least the way I went to the market, like so much they threw out of the house.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I gotta do it.
Guys, I'm so fat. The way I'm looking like someone that they threw out of the house. So today I went to the market. I went to the market around, was it till 4? And now the time is 5:59 past 4. That's almost 6. So let's say I spent close to 2 hours in the market. Like, it's not funny. I took 30k, but I added my extra 2k or 3k. Well, I think I came back with 1k minus the money I took. Oh, so I'm going to show you guys what I got for 30k less. Yeah, I got Indomie. I got oil. Guys, things are expensive. It's crazy. Things are expensive. At least the way I went to the market, like so much they threw out of the house. I'm going to do fried rice tomorrow, so I got baked beans. I got spaghetti. So guys, I bought stockfish. Then I bought dried fish. I bought more like uzuza leaf. I bought uzuza leaf because I want to do both fried rice and ugu. I bought semo. Let me just offload everything and I'll do a video instead of bringing it out, and I'm so tired, so let me do that. Like, I just bask in this. Everything here was 30,000 plus, so minus transport and the rest 30k. Wow, guys, stupid that everything I got here plus pepper, everything here, well, I got everything for 30k. This is meat now is very expensive. This is meat, every freaking thing. Carrot, cabbage for salad. I got some oil, Maggi, pepper, kinikon for 30k. Wow. Call me Odogu pricing. If you cannot price when you go to the market, auntie, uncle, you're on your own, no. Like, they will so cheat you. They will cheat you. And that's all I have to say. Bye. If you want to go to the market, especially like not mall supermarket, like market, you know that prices are not fixed, so you might end up spending more than you buy if you go to a supermarket. And if you don't know how to price, you're on your own, because that's like a different thing entirely. I'm so tired. So today is Christmas Eve. Today is 24th. I don't know if I'll be going for the Christmas Eve in church because I'm a Catholic. But let's see. I want to bring out the meat now from the fridge so I can marinate it, then like cook it, so I can fry it before tomorrow. And I also need to wash, like I have so many things to do. I need to wash the tomato, I need to wash the meat, I need to spice it. God, I'm stressed. Come on. This is my Christmas Eve vlog, so you guys will just have to bear with me on my rants, but I'm definitely going to edit and I'm going to post everything. So yeah. Good morning, guys. The time now should be 7 something. I woke up 6. My body is nice. It's going to nice. Now we meet for my Christmas Eve celebration. Merry Christmas. I use a medium sweet. If your rice is too much, you don't want to mix everything at once. Put it in different pots. Then you mix your spicy. So I'll go ahead and add this one. Come on, hug me. Come on, hug me. Come on, hug me now. This boy can fall and do. Hey!
Bring Queen's food for him.
Special.
Yes! I'm quite need the as in at the end with that. We need capital to open a restaurant. I'll make money to open a restaurant.
Merry Christmas.
Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go.